I have had this Regalo baby safety gate for about 2 years now. I bought it back in August of 2022 and I still use it and it's still doing just as good as it did the day I got it. Now, I actually bought it to keep my dogs out of my craft room where I was working with resin and I needed to not have their hair in my resin projects. So it works for babies, toddlers, pets, you name it. It's a nice versatile gate that's easy to set up and it works with wide openings as well. I do like how there's an extra safety feature here with the latch. If you do have toddlers tall enough to reach that, they're not going to be able to have the hand strength to pull this back and then also lift up the latch. I typically just leave the latch open because he's not going to be able to open that latch, at least not yet. The thing I like about it is it's mobile as well. If you need to take it down and take it somewhere else, you just unscrew and the tension releases and you can move it to where you need it to go. I think that makes it really versatile for apartment living or if you need to move it to different rooms for different purposes. So even after 2 years, it's a really sturdy system. I also like how you can set it up to be on one side of the door jamb or the other. So I can just keep the gate up and shut the door if needed. I also like this feature where you can have the tab on the back or the front down. So the bottom part of the gate stays in line with the top. So all in all, I'm really impressed with this gate. It's just kind of a permanent fixture at this point because it's easy to walk in and out of, and it will keep little ones and four-legged friends out of the areas that you don't actually want them in at the time. So I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy!